In today's epic video, I'm going to show you how you can make tons and boatloads of money using YouTube Shorts. Now, YouTube Shorts is a brand new app that YouTube have released this year that is currently really pushing out YouTube videos in portrait mode that is 60 seconds or less. They are literally YouTubers blowing up their YouTube channels, getting millions of views overnight because of YouTube Shorts. Now, the fantastic thing about YouTube Shorts, there is so many different ways that you can make money with YouTube Shorts. There are channels from India, United States, United Kingdom, South Africa, etc. doing this, making millions of views every single month and making hundreds of thousands of dollars every single year with various different ways that they use to monetize their YouTube channel from home. Over here is what one of these YouTube channels are earning. They are getting about 126 million views every single month, which is anywhere between $700,000 and $2.5 million every single month in YouTube ad revenue. But remember, because it's YouTube Shorts, the videos are shorter, but YouTube ad revenue is less. But I want you to take note of this. In the description of their YouTube short videos, they are directing all of these hundreds of thousands of views to a merch link over here on Teespring that is making well over $2,000 a day in merch sales profit. That's profit that's already expenses taken away from gross profit. That's net profit left over every single day, literally just using YouTube Shorts. But fellow entrepreneurs, before we get into this, I just quickly wanted to say thank you so much for the recent support on this YouTube channel. Every single day I am posting daily content documenting my journey on how I make money online and various different strategies and business models that you can use, from dropshipping, YouTube, creating content, building a drop servicing business, affiliate marketing, and building an entire social media empire through my content on YouTube. So if you want to get daily content, daily free videos and trainings on my YouTube channel, make sure to go down below and subscribe with that red notification bell on so that I can send you a personal notification and message to your phone every time I upload a value-packed video just like this one. And I also quickly wanted to say, if you want to get over 85% of the Drop Servicing University program, you can use this coupon on the screen over here. There's only about 4 spots remaining before this expires, and then it goes up over 85% in price. So if you want to go and claim that down below before anyone else does, you can go over to the first link in the description, and over there you will see a 7-minute free training and the coupon at the bottom and how long it's lasting for. So without further ado, guys, we're going to get straight into this. And also quickly, guys, just quickly, come over to the second link in the description of this YouTube video. It will take you over to my second channel, Millionaire Mindset Plus, where I'm also uploading plus minus 3-4 times a week. And I'm actually going to start this YouTube channel daily as from today and tomorrow. So over here, I'm doing a giveaway in every single video, sometimes up to $100, sometimes even up to $2,000 course giveaways. If you want to go get tons of giveaways, tons of more content and extras and behind the scenes of my personal life, come over to this YouTube channel over here. Make sure to subscribe and check out the latest YouTube video over here on how you can get a free giveaway and make some money online. With that being said, I want to show you this YouTube channel over here called Javi Luna. So this over here is a recent YouTuber that has started and migrated his entire YouTube channel. He used to post long videos. Let me just quickly show you on the homepage. So he used to post long videos like this over here, like 3 minutes, 7 minutes, 4 minutes. But now if I come over to his recent YouTube videos, and he only used to get 5.2k views, 8.1k views, 4.9k views, and 8.5k views. But if I come over to his videos, take a look at this. Every single day, day 1, 2 days ago, 3 days ago, 2 days ago, 3 days ago, he's posting sometimes twice a day. And he is now getting hundreds of thousands, even up to 4.5 million views in just 3 days. Now, all because he's transitioned his entire YouTube channel to a dedicated YouTube Shorts channel, and he is probably making about 20 times the amount of income just doing this. All of these YouTube Shorts aren't even his. A lot of them are, some aren't, but he's literally outsourcing this content through TikTok, and you can niche up and actually choose a niche YouTube channel as well and make tons of money in that specific niche. Or if you wanted to, as a bonus, create multiple YouTube short channels and cash in from every single one of those YouTube channels and build an entire YouTube empire just like this guy is doing. Now, if I open up one of these YouTube Shorts videos, take a look at this. I want to show you how this guy is killing it with revenue using merch through Teespring. So over here, if I click on Teespring over here, It's going to open up his Teespring page. I see he's also got his own Spotify, so he's probably making tons of money off his music that he's producing just because of YouTube Shorts. So this shows you already just a simple YouTube Shorts channel like this, he's making money off of merch while this page is busy loading, and he's making money off his Spotify music. So over here, guys, you can see he sells his own Java premium tank tops, women comfort tees, kids classic phone cases, and the best thing about this merch on Teespring, he doesn't need to order t-shirts himself. Teespring is a fantastic business model that you can create your own merch store without actually having your own merch. So how it works is you list your own t-shirt for, let's say, $20. You put your own picture or logo on the front of that t-shirt. When you get an order, Teespring makes that t-shirt for you and they deliver it for you, and you keep 40%, between 30 and 40% of the profits. So your expenses are covered and all your profit is already there for you. And you don't need any stock on hand yourself or inventory on hand to make your own t-shirts. Teespring does all of that hard work for you. Now, what a lot of other YouTube and content creators also do is they go and use the Amazon's affiliate marketing program, where they will go and promote products off the Amazon store and get commissions every time they get a sale through their affiliate link. So instead of using Teespring merch, some people will go and put, for example, my camera that I use, and they will leave an Amazon affiliate link to the camera on the Amazon store. They will then use their gaming chair or their gaming monitor, and they will just leave a whole bunch of links to all the equipment in the description of their YouTube videos. And just like that, they are making hundreds of dollars every single day of millions of views on YouTube Shorts through the Amazon affiliates program. This is how you're going to outsource your own YouTube Shorts and make your own Shorts content. So what you're going to do, guys, you're going to come over to your browser on your phone or your PC, just type in TikTok.com, and we're going to come over to TikTok, and I'm going to show you how these gadget niche TikTok pages are making tons of money, not only off TikTok, but also off YouTube Shorts by just reposting their own TikTok content onto YouTube without the TikTok watermark. So all you're going to do over here on search accounts, just type in gadget, for example, that's GADGET, and you just want to go and search for tons of accounts in the gadgets niche. So for example, gadgets 18, gadgets point. Let's just open up these three pages over here. So over here, you can see are three perfect TikTok accounts doing this. I mean, this guy literally just shows you how to change wallpapers, different hacks on Android and iOS. So you can literally go and search on YouTube little Android hacks that you didn't know about, create your own TikTok versions of that on TikTok, download that TikTok as a portrait mode without the watermark. I'm going to show you how to do that now. Go and upload that to YouTube as a YouTube Shorts and just title it Android hacks that you didn't know about, hashtag Shorts, and that can literally blow up to millions of views in just weeks and months, because this kind of content is getting promoted so hard by the YouTube algorithm. So this is how it works. Let's choose this TikTok over here. He's literally showing you how to have like a transparent wallpaper, and he's like follow and DM, so he's not only getting views but also getting followers and Instagram followers and growing his Instagram page. All you're going to do is copy the link you'll see over here on the right of this TikTok video. Copy this link, come over to Google and just search TikTok download without watermark. Click on search. Over here on snaptic.app is the website you're going to use to download this TikTok video without the watermark. So let me go and paste this link over here. Click on download. So you'll see over here the watermark I'm talking about is this TikTok watermark in the bottom right screen. You want to take that away. So this will then remove that. You just click on download from server 1. Just close this ad, and over here you will see it's now downloaded to my PC. And when I open this, take a look at this. The TikTok watermark is now gone. Why you want to remove this watermark is simply because the YouTube algorithm or the Instagram algorithm doesn't like to promote reposted TikTok content, but obviously the algorithm can't tell if it's TikTok content if you remove the watermark, which then promotes it way more on YouTube and Instagram Reels as well. So I recommend go start an Instagram page and post these as Reels as well, and you just have links in your bio to your YouTube channel to get tons of views on YouTube, to get tons of revenue, tons of affiliate sales, and tons of Teespring sales as well. But before we go and repost this new downloaded TikTok on YouTube, there's one thing that we need to do. We need to come over to Canva. Just type Canva over here, and you want to go search portrait mode or Instagram story mode. Let's just wait for this to load up. Come over to search Canva, just type in Instagram, and you want to find the Instagram story, that 1080 by 1920. That's portrait mode for YouTube Shorts as well. So just click on this. We want to go and create a blank Instagram story. Open this up in a new tab in Canva. It will do that for you automatically. Click on uploads, and we want to go upload our media. We want to upload that same TikTok that we have now downloaded from the TikTok app without the watermark. So give it a couple of seconds depending on your internet speed. Click on your YouTube Shorts that you've now uploaded. Just drag it around and make it full screen to this portrait mode. And what you want to do is you want to go and add a element over here. Just add a basic square that looks like this, and just kind of lift this TikTok video maybe a little bit up and drag the square across so we can have like a blank little canvas over here. Let's just change this color to a much lighter white color. For example, you want to click on text and you want to go and add text over here. So let's just go add heading, for example, and you want to go have gadget, merch, or link in description. And over here you want to have this visible 24/7 on all of your YouTube Shorts so that people know they need to go to the link description or the description of this video, click on the link to get this gadget or the merch of this gadget, which will funnel a lot of this traffic to get you Teespring sales or affiliate link sales on Amazon Affiliates program. Move your mouse to the top right and click on the big download button. Click on MP4 video, which will already be suggested for you, and just click on download, and it will then download to your PC. Once this is downloaded to your PC, come over to YouTube over here, click on the upload button on the top right of your YouTube channel. Over here, upload video, and go and select this video that you've now downloaded with edited with Canva, and you want to type something like this, and you want to type a title related to the specific video. So this video is having a transparent and see-through background as your wallpaper, so you can type transparent iOS background hack, hashtag shorts, hashtag shorts like that. For the description, you want to go type something like this: get your own gadget merch over here, and you just want to put your link, which is the link to your Teespring store where you've created your merch. So you can leave the thumbnail as is. You don't need to go and edit a thumbnail. Usually the default thumbnails that YouTube suggests actually works pretty well with YouTube Shorts, so you don't need to change that. And then all you want to go and do, guys, is you can go and use a tool called Video Marketing Blaster, which is a tool that will help you rank your YouTube videos. So this tool is currently on huge special for $27. I'm not going to sell you this tool or anything like that. You can actually come over straight to the website at videomarketingblaster.com. Reason why is because I use this tool myself and it works fantastic for growing YouTube channels. All you do is you enter a keyword onto this specific tool. So you can go, for example, best iOS hack. It will create your own done for you title, tags, and descriptions that you need to copy to your YouTube video description, title, and tags over here. And it will automatically rank your video on the top pages of YouTube, getting tons of more organic traffic and views to your YouTube channel. And from here, all you want to do is do this every single day consistently. Set yourself a challenge, post daily, 365 days in a year, and literally see how your life will change, how you've grown your business, how many merch sales that you'll get, how many views you'll get, how much ad revenue you will get, and how much of a business that you will build within a year, never mind 2 years, and how big you will be in 5 years from now. Who knows? A video you upload next week could blow up your entire YouTube channel and change things around quickly. It all depends on if your content favors the algorithm or not. But without further ado, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. If you want to get a $20 giveaway, come over to my second YouTube channel over here on the Millionaire Mindset Plus channel. Come over to my latest YouTube video that I'm going to post tomorrow and today as well, and I will announce how you can win $20. And also make sure to go and claim below that coupon that is currently running. There's about 4 slots available, but take care and I'll see you in tomorrow's epic video.